bodyboard. Ian, did you go in this one? Look, he body surfs out here, dude. He catches huge ones.
Does he have like a...
No.
No.
Because you're going so fast.
That is insane.
Psycho, huh? Ian, do you see this guy? He surfs the wave playing the violin.
No, he doesn't.
Yeah, he goes down the wave like this.
Yeah.
Plays the violin.
Plays the Christmas music.
Yeah, the Christmas music. Oh my God, sketchy. Just try to get any weight on these things. It's just like, I guess it works. Nazare became, I would say, one of the best, most recognizable big waves in the world. Literally every time it breaks, it's on like mainstream news everywhere in the world. Like it's like this crazy wave, and this wave is located next to the deepest canyon in all of Europe, 10,000 feet deep, and that water just comes from the middle of the Atlantic and sucks on in and takes two waves and combines and doubles in height. The last big one was Hercules Swell, right?
Yeah.
Hercules Swell. The next one will probably be Zeus, because it'll be bigger.
Once there was a little kid named Kai who loved to surf. Growing up just down the road from Jaws, Kai would see big waves marching in like angry giants from far out in the ocean and wreak havoc on anybody crazy enough to try and ride them. They were scary, super scary. But believe it or not, there were people who rode them. They had cool names like Laird, Dave, Derek, Rush, and they were giants to Kai. So little Kai decided he wanted to be just like them. He practiced and practiced and practiced, and then one day, many years later, he found himself at one of the world's scariest big wave spots, Nazare. He was there to practice, but then some crazy locals asked him to participate in a contest called Gigantes de Nazaré. Take a guess what that means. You got it, Giants of Nazare. Was he stoked? Absolutely. Was he also a little bit nervous? Absolutely. But hey, that's the life of a giant slayer. So here we go, episode 4.
They decided to run the Gigantes de Nazaré, which is a Brazilian big wave event. It's cool that they're including me so I can go out and ride some big waves at Nazare, not have to just watch on the sidelines. Now I'm just waiting for everyone to show up. They said be here at 7, and I'm the only one. So this is typical surfers, like be there at 7, but we'll actually be there at 8. Chumbo!
Good morning.
Are you good?
It's not as cold this morning.
No, it's better. Way
Better, yeah,
no?
better. Still cold,
This
but...
yeah, no, but this wind's way better. It's not freezing. This is on the mouth of the right.
Ooh, I like going right.
I know.
I was always supposed to be partnered with Lucas because we're tow partners for the WSL event here. But I think today I'm gonna be going with Carlos and another legend, Hugo Val. I just wanna get a couple really big ones and do some big tricks on them if I can and try to go toe to toe with Lucas.
Pushing each other's performance in huge waves is what we love to do. The better each of us gets, the better our team will be in a couple of weeks for the WSL event. Today is basically the best training anyone could ask for. We both want to watch each other rip out there, and we both want to win.
Gada Cascavel!
Obrigado.
Whoa, what is that? Wait there for the ball. That one. Put him on.
Let me step in the dance and I sit down. Select the hand and pull it down. That device getting dangerous. Light up the fire and light it down. Anytime we did it, what? Listen, anytime we chat it on the mind, anytime we do it, so we what?
Wow. Yeah.
Pull up a lyrical styles for me girl them. Pull up a vibe say we bring for the night. Bounce and spring on the video with the anthem high. Come with the wickedest grind. Pull up a lyrical styles for me girl them. Pull up a vibe say we bring for the night. Bounce and spring on the video with the anthem high. Come with the wickedest grind. Show me the steps and bows. Let me see you bend down low.
Okay. Flip jet, flip jet. Alema, vai ali. Alema norte, Kaileni. Alema norte, Kaileni. Norte, Kaileni. Go, Alema, go. Flip jet on norte, Alema, go.
When you are playing out at Nazare, it's not a matter of if you're going to get caught, but when. Everybody has to pay those dues. Nazare is essentially a massive beach break, and the waves are coming from all over the place. If the ski gets caught inside, suddenly there is no rescue, and you are on your own.
2 jets flipped. Stop everybody, everybody stop. Come on. First the man.
Fortunately, the guys in the water are super dialed and practiced for just this scenario. They got me back on the sand before anything got too hairy.
All good. Everybody, safety, all good. Relax, all good.
Very good day, amazing. From 7:30 to 5 p.m. Not bad, huh? 10 hours in the water for the kids. They're gonna sleep well tonight.
I haven't surfed a contest like this in a long time, where there are no heats. So it's basically a day-long expression session, and you catch as many waves as you want, which is just how I like to surf.
It was quite the session. Had some insane rides, got pounded a few times. It just stung. It was crazy, like the explosion of whitewater behind me. I've never had that really happen anywhere, but here today I just got so blasted a few times. My whole goal going out there was you're in a competition and you gotta just try to ride the best you possibly can. Kind of the progression of my riding now is to do more tricks on big waves versus just riding it and outrunning it. And so this is just sort of the start of where I could see the progression of my big wave riding going.
No kidding. We got so many waves. So fun. It's actually like 30 minutes. We are done already. We got like 10 waves already.
So many.
Rope. Okay, rope. Keep going. Let's go.
Let's just go.
So fun.
What a day. Chumbo won the comp, I rode some awesome waves, and we all made it out safe and sound. I can't wait to come back here in a few weeks and compete with Chumbo as my tow partner in the WSL Big Wave Nazare Tow Surfing Challenge. After this trip, I'm feeling so much more confident out there, and I have a great feeling about what's to come. This place is pure magic.
I saw Keith, and he said that the buoys got bigger.
Really?
That's what he said. At the end of the day, just need to surf.
It's great to be home after a long trip overseas. And just as I'm starting to get over my jet lag, Mother Nature gives us all a gift.
The National Weather Service has issued a high surf warning for the north-facing shores of Maui County through 4 p.m. today. A large west swell was predicted to continue through Sunday night, with surf staying above advisory levels through today. Large breaking waves and strong currents may impact harbor entrances and channels. Only highly experienced people should enter the water.
Hey, Morton.
Who was that? Right now, I have pure excitement for what's to come today. I've never been so fired up to surf big waves as I am right now, that I just want to spend sun up to sundown, if possible.
Let's get it going. You can feel it. The buoys have some movement, as does this little harbor. Yeah, I'm excited.
Hey, at least it's warmer than Nazare. Nazare is so cold putting your wetsuit on. I'm putting on my impact wetsuit. It'll take me to the surface if I get knocked unconscious. If a board or someone else's board or the lip of a wave is known as a guillotine hits me in the rib cage, I won't blow a rib out and I could keep surfing. And then underneath that, I got this thing, which is an inflation vest.
Mark, all clear.
Sometimes the energy in the air, the frequency is like intense. It's intense, it's always intense in big waves, but I think there's a feeling of potential, if I could sum it up in one word.
Yeah, Daddy.
We were dead last to get off of the ramp, but the goal was always just to be there before the sun broke the horizon and get the first wave that came through. Somehow, I made it. I'm out there with an empty lineup on what could be the best day of the season at Jaws. So many factors have to come together for conditions like this. Jaws is a fickle beast, and I've dedicated my life to being ready when it decides to fire. Stepping into the ring, getting a first wave under my belt is super important for my confidence, and it kind of sets the tone for the rest of the day.
Okay, you got kiteboarding boat. In neutral.
Man, good ripping.
How was the last one?
Fantastic. You almost did a double loop-the-loop.
So nice out there right now for paddling.
Is that your brother?
There goes Ridge. Yeah, Ridge.
Ew.
Oh, barrel. Come on.
Oh. Uh-oh.
He's good. He's good.
Oh, he got his first wipeout.
Oh, yeah, Ridge.
Get out there, Kai.
Keep going.
The conditions are going to be perfect today. A day that we haven't had in 3+ years. It could be just a day to remember. And I hope I can make the most of it, just getting really big waves and hopefully get the ride of my life, if that's possible. These days are critically important to a lot of us who love to ride big waves. They're so insanely rare. You want to do it all the time, but you can't. So you want to make the most of those opportunities when the time does come around. You're not thinking about what you're gonna do after. You're not worried about anything that doesn't exist except for in that moment.
Take my hand. Yeah, Lord. Take my hand. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I'm in trouble now.
Aloha. This is a handsome bugger. Anyway, checking out this nice place down here. Again, that's the surfers going out right down here. They're going to paddle out to the reef. The waves are easy, like 6, 8, 10 feet out here.
Oh my God, look at all the boards. Shit. Oh, man.
Oh, ski. Oh my gosh. That was a near ski crash. I mean, the dream day is no wind, 20 foot in barrels, and it's pretty close to that. It's a little bit slow, but the wind's not there, and it's glassy jaws, which is unheard of. So we're gonna gear up and go out.
This one right here. And the third one. Nate, look at this third one. Watch this second one, Matai. The one after.
Days like this, there are so many highs, and the odd low. I caught some of my best waves of the year, and yeah, I got a few poundings too. I even caught a couple on my stand-up paddleboard, just to keep things interesting. Because why not, right? One thing's for sure, this was definitely the day of the winter.
The best moments in my life have always been in big wave sessions because there's nothing that feels more pure and exciting. The best part is right before I'm about to make it to the bottom and I'm gonna initiate the bottom turn. Usually in that bottom turn, I feel like I have all the control in the world. Here I have the speed of a fighter jet, and I also have the imagination of an artist. It's me and the ocean in the most dynamic moment. You're not scared, you're not nervous. Every pressure in the world is completely gone. It's lifted off of my shoulders. There's some sort of tribal instinct that comes out and it just feels pure. And finding harmony in that moment feels like true freedom. Hey, Lucas, my brother. I feel so ready. I'm so amped.
Live here in Nazare for the Nazare Tow Challenge.
And a big Swell loading up for the world's best tow surfers.
Yeah, at 3 in the morning, the water comes to the road. Last 10 years, don't come with that violence.
The intentions are simple. Win this contest in some of the biggest waves I ever competed in. I haven't had a win in a while. I want to get back to my winning ways.
Oh God. Air section! Air section!
Whoa.
Hit it, hit it!
Oh my God.
Oh my God! Pull in!